Welcome to Mercenta. Mercenta is an innovative, secure, and easy-to-use platform that empowers sourcing teams to deliver breakthrough results for their organizations. I'm William, and I'll be your instructor today. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register your organization. If you haven't already loaded our marketing site, go ahead and browse to www.mercenta.com. Once the site loads, click on the Register button at the top right-hand corner of the home page. The register form should now scroll into view. For the company name field, use the full legal name of your top-level company in your organization. You will be able to add subsidiaries later, once your account is registered. Next, give a name for the subdomain that your users will use to access their portal. In this example, I'm using Acme, which means that your portal will be found at acme.mercenta.com. Next, you will need to select an administrator for your account. The administrator is not a normal user. They will access Mercenta through the admin portal, located at admin.mercenta.com. Their primary role will be to add the initial users and configure security. There are two reasons why we recommend that you choose someone from your IT department. First, the role has some technical requirements, and second, to ensure a good separation of responsibilities, IT is outside the business functions that mostly concern Mercenta. Although this is not essential for the initial stages, and you can add additional administrators later on. Once you've filled in all the fields, click the Register button. It should take a couple of hours to provision your account. The administrator will receive a welcome email with a temporary password. While you're waiting for your account to be set up, I invite you to view our tutorial for organization administrators, also on this channel. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to get in touch at support@mercenta.com. Thank you.